Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today's makeup look is inspired by Chappell Roan and her Paper magazine cover shoot. I think this is such a bold and interesting look, and I'm excited to try it out today. To start out this look, I'm going to be making my face pink. And here I'm using a matte liquid lipstick and some concealer and blending them together. Then I'm applying it all over the face. I already blocked out my brows and I'll be going over it with the pink color. I had to go over the eyebrows several times to completely block them out. Here, using the Garden of Juvia's palette, I'm using the pink shade to go over the top of this. Next, I'm using a bright pink blush. This one is from Bare Minerals, and I'm going over the sort of contour, blush, and upper contour area of the forehead with the blush. She usually goes very heavy on the blush in her looks, so I went pretty heavy as well. Then I use some of that same pink shade to contour the eyelids. And here I'm sketching out with a black eyeliner as best as possible the same brow shape as she has. Has a little bit of a triangle shape on the inner corners and sort of a thin, rounded look. Then with a black eyeshadow, I'm adding it to the inner eye corner crease and blending upwards. Then next I'll be adding black rhinestones. Her embellishments are a little bit different. She has more of a kind of pearl black and it sort of changes colors in the light. But these black rhinestones were the closest thing that I had. And I'm using 3 different rhinestone sizes. Then I'm adding highlighter to the cheeks. Then adding some of that same highlighter to the eyes underneath the eyebrows. Then I tried to find eyelashes that were as close to hers as possible. And now I'll be lining my lips with black. After you have the lips lined, you're going to want to blend that into the middle of the lips. And that completes this pink Chappell Roan inspired makeup look. I really think this is a bold and creative look. I love the inner eye rhinestones. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.